In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Ortho Mode in AutoCAD quickly and correctly so you can draw perfectly straight horizontal and vertical lines every time. This is one of the most useful tools in AutoCAD when you want cleaner, more accurate drafting, and once you understand it, it becomes second nature. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and software walkthroughs. Now let's get right into it. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. You can start with a new file or use an existing project, whichever you prefer. Once your drawing is open, look at the status bar at the bottom of the screen. This is where AutoCAD keeps many of its drafting aids and toggles, including Ortho Mode. To turn on Ortho Mode, simply click the Ortho icon in the status bar. If you do not see it right away, you can also press F8 on your keyboard. That is the shortcut for toggling Ortho Mode on and off. When it is enabled, AutoCAD will lock your cursor movement to straight horizontal and vertical directions only. This is especially helpful when you need exact right angles, because instead of your line drifting diagonally, it will stay aligned to 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees depending on the direction you move your mouse. So if you are making walls, outlines, technical shapes, or any kind of precise line work, Ortho Mode makes the process much easier. Now that Ortho Mode is on, start a drawing command. A great example is the line command because it makes the effect very easy to see. You can type line into the command line and press enter, or choose the line tool from the toolbar or ribbon if you prefer using the interface. After you begin the line command, click once to set your first point, then move your cursor around the drawing area. You will notice that AutoCAD restricts the movement so you can only go in straight horizontal or vertical directions. This is the key feature of Ortho Mode. It prevents angled movement and keeps your line perfectly aligned. Now move your cursor in the direction you want the line to go, either left, right, up or down, and click to place the next point. Because Ortho Mode is active, your line will snap into a straight path automatically. You can continue placing more points in the same way if you are drawing a shape, and every segment will stay locked to a straight axis. If you want to create a square, rectangle style outline, or a layout with clean corners, Ortho Mode is perfect for that. Just keep moving the cursor in horizontal or vertical directions and click for each corner. This gives you very controlled, professional-looking geometry without needing to manually straighten anything later. If you ever want to turn Ortho Mode off, just press F8 again or click the icon in the status bar one more time. That will return your cursor to free movement, which is useful when you need angled lines or more flexible drafting. So, to quickly recap, open your drawing, turn on Ortho Mode from the status bar or with F8. Start a command-like line, move your cursor, and AutoCAD will restrict it to straight horizontal and vertical directions. Then click to place your points in clean 0 degree or 90 degree lines. And that is how to use Ortho Mode in AutoCAD. It is a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time and improve the accuracy of your drawings right away. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.